This video will help you find articles on a specific career field or major using the Hack Library databases. First, we're going to go to your library guide, which is linked in your Brightspace course module. And then we're going to click on Find Articles on the left. You'll see that I've highlighted different library databases based on your research topics. So we're going to click on Career Topic. And for this video, I'm going to be focusing on Ferguson's Career Guidance Center, but I do encourage you to check out the other additional databases that I've listed here. At the bottom of this page, there's an additional video that will give you tips on searching databases like EBSCOhost and the Vocational and Career Collection. When I click on the database, there'll be a search box that comes up at the top of the page where I can type in a specific career field. And in my search results, I'm going to see different article types, including industry profiles as well as specific professions related to that field. I'm going to go ahead and click on the industry profile. And this is going to give me an overview of the field as a whole, as well as options on the right here to find out more about its historical background, its job structure, the job outlook, and more. You can also research specific professions within the nursing field by clicking on Related Professions here at the top. And it will give you a list of different professions for each profession if you click on it. You can expand and see an overview, and it will give you some basic facts like salary, education level, what the job outlook is, the career ladder. And there's also these options on the right-hand side where you can dive deeper, so you can find out more about the history of the job, the earnings, things like work environment, education and training requirements, and more. At the top of the page, you can click on Cite to get the citation, and this is something that you can copy and paste into your group's Google document. And if you need any help, please reach out to me or one of the librarians. If you click on the home page of your library guide, there's some contact information. There is a chat service if you have quick questions. This is something that's staffed by our Hack librarians during our business hours, and then it's staffed by other librarians across the country. So it literally is available 24 hours a day. The other thing that you might explore is setting up a research appointment with a librarian. So if you click on Meet, you can select either a physical location or Zoom and select a time that works best for you. You can also reach out to me in your Brightspace course. There's a discussion board, an Ask a Librarian discussion board if you go in under General Questions. And this is something that you can post questions and then I can answer you directly within the discussion board.